Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Jasmy video update. We're looking at still a pending target that we got, and that's a target down right over here, which is ideally not met just yet, but we potentially could be looking forward to actually drop all the way down to 4,000 eventually, because once again on the 1 hour time frame you move to the downside, you move sideways, you broke down and you're moving sideways, and you're potentially still looking to come down here. No bullish at all, and I don't think due to Bitcoin we might be looking at Jasmy to make it all the way to the upside just yet anytime soon. So here's Bitcoin, and just look at what Bitcoin is doing. I'm going to make an update on Bitcoin too. So here we go with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is basically doing the following. I'm going to tell you, you have left shoulder head, right shoulder, a very clear lose and a break of the neckline. So this is you losing the neckline, coming down, and I think you're looking to pump just a little bit back up here, get rejected, make a kiss of death right there, and then drop all the way down to $24,200 in my opinion. So that is not good for Jasmy. That basically is still trouble for Jasmy as well. And as far as I'm concerned, you might be making another flag right over here. And if this is another flag in the making, then you're looking for boom, 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 and all the way down to maybe even 3,800 once again. Because ever since you lose 5,300, I told you that is not good scenario, and that was almost like a game over. They actually dumped it very, very badly. And the thing about this dump with Jasmy is that they ended up taking out stop losses that was skipped. A lot of people might have had their stop losses set somewhere here, 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 but the way they were flash crashing all the the coin just tells you how they skipped the stop losses. The stop losses were being skipped big time, and people had to take their losses and walk away with some of their losses intact as well. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind is that we hopefully don't make a daily bear flag, and if you start to make a daily bear flag like this, then you're already down, and you might make a flag like that, and you might start to even crumble all the way down to even 2,900. Unfortunately, I've always said this, that on the weekly you have an untouched price target, which was always down here, and it's been a couple of months that I've just been telling you about it. So I wouldn't be surprised if it ever comes down to this area. There's 20,000 gap for Bitcoin as well. If Bitcoin tries to come 24K, it's very close to 20K. Okay, so moving from 24K to 20K isn't going to be a big deal for Bitcoin, and for Jasmy it's not going to be a big deal if it to come down to this price area. It's been there pending for a very long time, and now you're losing the bull flags, you're not crossing this pattern that we saw. It's just almost like a trap that they had. So things are not good, okay? If manipulations like this are happening, then it means the other way around, okay? If bullish things are not going to hold, well, flip the switch. Simple. So that's it for this update on Jasmy, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.